All right, so does SEO, search engine optimization, have a key factor in YouTube? Absolutely. Look at that. Boom. Very good. And I can't wait to dive into this video. This is what I absolutely love. So if you want to learn why SEO is so important in real estate and in YouTube, well, I'm going to teach you in this video. And we're getting after it right now. What's up, everybody? This is Jackson Wilkie with the YouTube Agents. If this is your first time to this channel and you want to learn all the tips and tricks on how to grow a massive real estate YouTube channel that gets you millions of dollars of free leads each and every month, just like we do, then start now by subscribing to this channel and tap that little bell so you're notified every time we do a new video. And if you ever want to see the videos we do on our real estate channel, type in living in Portland, Oregon. Make sure you subscribe to that channel. See all the videos we do on a weekly basis and start doing them in your market. Dominate today. All right, so this is what I absolutely love. This is the bread and butter, everything about why YouTube works for real estate, and it's SEO. So SEO, like I said earlier, was search engine optimization. Now, you see real estate agents doing some of the craziest videos and all sorts of videos, but are those the videos that people actually want to see? Not a lot of times. So how do you find the actual videos that people want to see? Well, first of all, we're going to talk about how important it is, and then I'm going to jump over to the computer and show you exactly how to look for titles and videos to shoot. So why is SEO so important? Okay. What are people doing? They are typing into their keyboard or in their phone what they want to know. You do this every single day. You know, you may have typed in how to do SEO for YouTube and my video came up. So you need to answer questions. People are typing in, how much does it cost to live in your city? Where is the best neighborhood in your city? Is it safe to live in your city? That's what people are actually typing in. Now, if you've watched a lot of my videos, you know that I talk about these things. I talk about, content is king and getting out all the videos. Well, honestly, if you do a bunch of random videos that people never search, you'll never get views and your channel won't grow. Our channel absolutely exploded in basically less than 6 months. Over 100,000 views, almost 2,000 subscribers, and those are active real estate clients. Over $10 million. We just put in our 12th offer in the last 45 days from real estate, and it's because we figured out SEO. That is what we're going to teach you right now. All right, what's up, guys? So we are here on YouTube. This is your first stop in what you need to be doing. As you can tell, I got this sick little webcam up here. And this is a Logitech cam, and I use eCam, E-C-A-M-M. I talked about that in a different video, but this is how I'm going to start broadcasting live to, my YouTube audience and start doing neighborhood tours. So eCam, look that up. It's unbelievable. But let's jump into what you're here to learn. And the first thing you need to do is go to your search bar. Let's just work on Houston, Texas. So if you type in Houston, Texas, the first thing you see is Houston, Texas tour, Houston, Texas vlog. So there's two of them right away, but now you can just start adding words to these. So Houston, Texas living, pros and cons, Houston TX living, cost of living. So see where it's highlighted, cost of living? That needs to go in front. So cost of living in Texas, pros and cons of living in Texas. So right here, we just talked about basically 6 to 8 video titles that you can do immediately. So then you change it to, let's say, all the key terms. Now, we've talked about this so many times. Don't do videos that nobody searches. Figure out what people are searching, and it's this easy. Moving to Houston, you get just that in, and you get Texas vlog, Houston vlog. So people are writing this all the time. You need to be doing these videos in your city. So moving to Houston, Texas 2019, moving to Houston 2019. So now you got a dozen video titles. So you can do I don't want to do this all day. Go through and just start typing in what you think other people are searching, and it's going to give you these titles, and you got a ton of videos. Now, how do you find the ones that you need to be shooting if you have a brand new channel, or even a channel that's pretty established? I still do this with ours, but how do you find the videos where you can rank quick? This is the one thing I highly recommend. You need to go to TubeBuddy.com and get that. So the pricing, basically, I'm going to click this up here real quick. if you use that, that would be awesome. TubeBuddy.com/YTagents when you log in. But I use the star, the $19 a month. So it's, yeah, $20 a month. But this literally is the greatest tool ever. If you want to grow a YouTube channel, you want to get tons of real estate business out of it, you got to spend $19 a month. I used to do the pro, but it doesn't have, the ultimate in time saving with bulk processing tools. So now all I got to do is just upload a video and my description's there, my tags are in. Like, I don't have to do as much. I'm uploading so many videos and all of that stuff is already written out for me. All I basically got to do is drag my thumbnail in there and I'm done. So it does that. But also what it does is this. So you'll get the extension right here on your computer. And what you want to do is go to your Keyword Explorer. Now it's going to tell us exactly what we need to be shooting. So immediately, Houston, Texas. Sorry about that. Let's do Houston, Texas living. Okay, so you have all of these. Let's just do cost of living in Houston, Texas. Look at that. Hey, and if you're liking this video, will you please hit that like button? It really helps me out. Tell people to do that to your videos too. This is my channel for Portland, Oregon. Now here's what it does. If you don't have the pro version like I do, it's not going to give you the weighted. It's just going to tell you the unweighted. So this is huge. This is just in general how that keyword works. So it's still pretty good. 53. You can see the amount of searches, 12,000 searches a month. No more doing videos on the escrow process. You have 12,000 people wanting to know this. I have the #1 ranking video. It gets hundreds of views every day. We get tons of business off it. We'll just keep messing around. If you got like moving to Houston, look at all these. I mean, moving to Houston, Texas. Okay, that's poor. 7 out of 100. You're not going to rank for that until you get a bunch of videos. My channel, it's a little easier. But moving to Houston, Texas, see the searches right there? 3,000 per month. It's just right here. It's not too many, but if you change this maybe to like 2019, let's see what it does. So you got a way better chance there. You even have more searches per month. Look at that. Boom. Very good. So I could change it to moving to Houston, Texas 2019 instead of moving to Houston, Texas. And you're going to rank way faster and you even have more searches. But even if it had considerably less searches, that's still, maybe a couple hundred people a month or 100 people a month that are going to type that in and your video will rank. So you need to get this Keyword Explorer through TubeBuddy and figure out what videos you can shoot immediately that helps you rank. And TubeBuddy is it. So, I mean, just to show you a few more examples. Living in Houston, Texas. I mean, poor, that's really hard. So living in Houston, Texas, pros and cons, let's see that. Boom. I mean, that's a good one. That's way better than, the other one. It gets searched a pretty decent amount. And you just keep going. I mean, living in Houston, Texas, 2019. Fair. I mean, very good right there. That's a great one. So moving to Houston, Texas, and give them tips on what they need to do. And one of the tips is to call you so you can help them find the perfect location. These ones right here that say very good, and that's how you'll rank way quicker. You'll get way more views quicker, and your channel will explode. See, for $19 a month, you'll literally come up with all the video titles to start ranking and kicking ass immediately. Now, searching those titles can be actually enjoyable. I really like doing it. Right here, this is 22 video titles for this channel alone, the one you're watching, of how I can compete in this real estate space that's very, very tough to compete in. There's so many videos, unlike your real estate channel, where you're going to basically be in a market with no other realtors doing these videos. It's crazy to me. You will have no competition. We need to teach you how to do that. But yeah, you can go and you can plan out 20, 30, 40 video titles in an evening. All right, so that is the SEO world. There's that and everything else in the killer YouTube course I built for realtors. It's always down in the comments below. And if you use the promo code YTAgents, you get a killer discount on that. That is the ultimate playbook from start to finish, how to dominate in real estate YouTube. So if you are new to this channel, you want to learn every tip and trick on how to grow a massive real estate YouTube channel, then start now by subscribing and tap that little bell so you're notified every time we do a new video. And until that next video, we'll catch you later.